Well, welcome again here on Driving It Home. We're here on the shores of Lake Erie, where we're enjoying the scenery and we're also checking out what the locals are driving. You see many traditional internal combustion vehicles driving around, of course, spreading their toxic fumes of carbon combustion. But we're also here to talk about something we've talked about before in prior videos, where we were talking about how the world wants to go to carbon free by 2030, 2035, or some period like that. And as you know, we've always been talking about how that is a struggle. Now, while we look out here on the coast of Lake Erie and watch these cars go by that are of varying sorts of carbon burning, internal combustion, even hybrid. I have not seen a Tesla yet, or some other pure electric vehicle. We do see a nice looking little red Corvette partying like it's 1999, but actually it's a brand new one. Next to it is a luxury GMC Denali, that burns fossil fuels. But what we're trying to get at is the fact that we're going to have a problem trying to get to 100% carbon free, because in the near future we're going to be taxing our power grid to provide the base load power that we need to be able to support all the electric vehicles that are plugged in across the grid. And the only way to really get to a carbon-free source of baseload power generation is, yes, nuclear. If you can see off in the distance there in the coast is a nuclear power generating plant. And in the past, those have come in under disrepute, if that's the right word. But now they have to come back into common acceptance. And actually, we need to improve and expand upon them by using the ability to add power generation through nuclear means via the small modular reactors that are now readily available. They're very low risk, ready to go, and easy to implement, relatively speaking, especially in a place where there's already a nuclear facility, because they already have the infrastructure to take care of all of that, all the considerations that go with running a nuclear plant in a location. All the locals are used to it. They know what's going on. They've resolved themselves to it, and they're used to seeing it. It's not a problem. So the rest of you need to get on board, realize that it's okay to expand our nuclear power generating capacity, and ask your local leaders to be willing to accept that, and maybe even expand to add capacity using that. So with that, we're going to leave it here. Check our other videos out here about going to nuclear, and also our other videos about vehicles and driving and all things cars all the time. Until next time, we'll see you here on Driving It Home after you press the subscribe button.